Okay, I should be live right now. I'm checking if everything is working out. Perfect. The audio is there, so I'm gonna remove my headphones as I don't need them anymore. And we are ready to go. So guys, welcome. Something new right now. I set it properly. These things. I have a bigger chart on my here on my right side. And let me, maybe I can even make it slightly bigger because I can see that I am not feeling okay. Perfect. I have below here on the corner there the order and as well the position in that moment that I get filled, and below here the PNL, and the PNL will appear only when the position is closed. So it will appear when I will take the first trade of the day, and we can check if everything is working out so we don't do the mistake as last time. I put a buy order. The buy order is there. You can see it here on the bottom. Copy trade them in all three accounts. So we are now sure that everything is working out. And as well, copy, paste. Let's see. Forgot because I'm reading something else. Live streaming right now. So we are there and we are ready, guys, for today. Yesterday was an interesting day. We made some money. We could have done much better, but it is what it is. And we can move learning and improving. So I'm looking at how our chart looks great, to be honest. It does look great. Seeing resistance. Oh, we are on the same levels as yesterday, around 200. 200 was not the best level yesterday, but now it does show that it is resistance. So we should definitely be careful on it around this 200 again, and it's kind of showing it right now. We had some news at 8.5 and it was not that big as a news, but 40 points move, at least 40 points on the first minute candle. That's I guess it's enough to blow many accounts, and as well it moved higher later on. So what I need right now is to check what the market wants to do, at least for the first half an hour, and evaluate. Let me see, are people, I need to reload to see if my live is okay. That looks good. Okay, perfect. And what we have right now is the 200 level as a resistance that we had the same as yesterday. So we have to be careful on that. As well on ES, we have resistance around the same area right now. So we have to be careful on that step. We have the opening print level of yesterday. No, the graph just got deleted them. And I'm gonna put back the line, and I'm gonna use it later on when the market reopens. The market is gonna reopen in 9 minutes. So we have time to evaluate, decide what is planned for today. Let's go first to the hour chart. Hour chart, we move on it. And you see that this 200 was a resistance different times. So we have to be careful about this 200. We can use it as a retest for sure on the long side. But definitely we have to be careful to go long about 190, 180 levels is better to avoid it. So let's move then on the 15-minute chart. And on the 15-minute charts, kind of similar idea. Let's be careful to not enter too early on trades on the 200 level, and be sure that we have some nice place over it. Now it can be a nice area here at 97, that is 200, so 200 area is going to be. And the highs of yesterday, that was around 242. So we can have some room here to play. Let's go to the 5-minute chart. I don't believe it's gonna give us much more in the 5-minute charts. Yes. And we can then move to the 1-minute chart and evaluate and look at the opening print level when it's gonna give it to us. So definitely we have to be careful, don't exaggerate, and keep it calm. So hopefully we get some nice trades and some nice ideas on it. I think the volume today might appear, especially because of the news. So the news came out, even if it was not that big, it starts to give liquidity and it starts to move the market, and that's what we need. We need some nice 1-2 good trades that would give us 400 on the day for each account. That's perfect. And we don't need anything more than that. With beautiful 400 day in each account, that is a beautiful 1,200. Well, good morning, both of you. Good morning, Hias. Thank you for coming, and good morning to Server Thanos. Thank you as well for coming, guys. Appreciate it as always. Are you ready for today? Because I'm not that much, but hopefully we don't screw it. Afternoon for me. Yeah. It's afternoon also for me, but I'm clocked on the New York time right now for the work. Yeah, no, because now it's for you, it's 2:30 p.m. Yeah, the market has not been the best, to be honest, this week. So to be honest, survive on this market, it's great. Then if we can and survive or make a little bit of money, and then when the market starts to give us like beautiful trade, even 15 or 20 points of profit, then we can really push it. But if we survive, it's great. How did you end up yesterday in your case, both of you? Was it a okay day? Did you manage to close it green? I'm just disappointed on my first trade yesterday. If it was not for that one, that could have been a good day. Flat is a great day. Flat. To be honest, on a trading perspective, when it's traded correctly and you follow the execution, is one of the best day. On a trader mentality or someone that is like trading since a long time, I think that is like it's a beautiful day. For noob like us or me, I mean, sometimes a flat day can feel like it was a bad day, but instead it should be the opposite. My aim is just to keep the account for 30. I'm not even. Yeah, man, I feel you. I feel you, Severtanus. So just survive your PA as much as you can is really a big achievement, because then you're not over risking on trades, and that's like big. That one is a big step as well. To be honest, if you manage to reach 30 or 40 days on the PA account, then you can think about, okay, I did not maybe make profit as much as I wanted, but definitely I made the account survive with good risk management all the way of all the 30 days. And 30 days is more than a month. It's a 1 month and a half. So if you manage to do that, it's a really great achievement. It creates you a nice habit of patience and waiting for setups instead of rushing for trades. So I've seen insane people of trading with the P accounts, and when they trade with the P accounts, they enter, especially with Apex, I saw them, they start trading with 5 to 10 minis per trade. I mean, are you insane? With that amount of drawdown you have, 1 mini at the beginning is totally enough, especially to make you good money and to follow a good enough risk management. 10 minis, you're really looking to blow up the account. Yeah, I think more time. Yeah, okay, gotcha. Yeah, I agree with that. But I don't know if I spoke with you. How long have you been trading right now? So hopefully we make a nice day today. They look into YOLO. Yeah, euphoria from passing. Yeah, bravo. And then they blow their account. Even if you are not, they pass the account and then they think about passing right away, make so much money on the first day, and then they blow up, and then they're like screaming at Apex, why did I blow up my PA account and stuff like that. Then you see the trades and they're like, I just played 10 minutes. How did I manage to blow up? Man, you played 10 minutes on NQ. You need only 10 points, 12 points of moving that you blow up. Some people really don't get it. I don't know what the heck I'm showing you right now. Okay, give me okay, perfect. Just give me a second, guys. I need to just check some private things, private information. Okay, perfect. It was just a quick check. La la la. Back on it. So hopefully we don't have the same for you. Sorry, I was 30 seconds on the left and right of my brain. So I'm still checking the Discord. And let's hopefully we don't make some mistakes as well today. We have 2 minutes, 1 minute to pass the account. La, la, la. Hello, AUD, if you're watching right now, because you told me you're watching, so I'm gonna say hi to you as well. And thank you. So let's wait 40 seconds, guys. 40 seconds. This clap was too much for this audio, probably. And let's make some money today. I think it's gonna be a nice day if we have nice volatility. I'm gonna put the stop loss. We start with the standard 60 ticks and 61 take profit on the first 10 minutes. If the ATR is big, the market is start to move. 12 seconds. I'm gonna guess the opening is gonna be somewhere here. 5, 3, 2, 1. Okay, not really. Just a few points. Okay, the market is open, guys. We are pushing. Let's see how it goes. As I said, let me see first my orders are all correct. Yes, you can see them on here on the bottom right, and here is going to be the PNL, and here below is going to be the final PNL when the position is closed. Okay, this was a mistake. I have to close that one. So we don't have any more orders. Hello, HKM. What's up, my friend? Ready for today? Let's see what we can make today on this chart. This 200 has been a resistance in pre-market, has been a resistance yesterday as well, has been a resistance over different hours. So we need to be careful to play long side against the 200, but we can play long side on the 200. So that can be a nice play. If this one breaks, let's see what it is. If this one breaks, and always I miss what is the drawing button. No. Why always I miss what the heck is the drawing button? Okay, freaking hell, I don't care. But yeah, let's see how this 200 goes above them. This 200, how this market goes above the 200, come back, retest them. So you see how it became resistance right now? And really, this was a very extreme short. Let's see opening print level right now. So this 200 is really a pain, and it can be a nice short on the opening print level. What is the 290 here? 80 is here. Too far. Looking to see. It's still too early. I'm not gonna do the same mistake as yesterday of playing the market on the first 2 minutes of the day. I'm gonna give it a bit more. Let's don't do mistakes like yesterday. What do we see here? We see only the 200 is the problem right now. So if you go above it and we retest it, we go long. So that's a plan. That's a nice idea of trade, and we have it. If not, we're gonna play the short side, and I like the short side of the 80s. The 80s have been support, 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 support here. If we break the opening print level, we come back below, I'm gonna short the 80s. So that's a nice idea again as well on the short side. So let's see how it goes, but that's the plan. I'm looking at it, and I don't wanna play right away. I'm gonna look at the short. The ATR is low, even if it's I'm gonna put 41. Okay, 10 points, and I'm gonna put as well for stop loss 10 points. I like these 80s, they're short. Looking at them, let's see. I need to see if this really makes sense or this is a liquidity grab. I'm gonna take a short. I'm on it, risking 10 points and looking for 10 points to the short side. And how, let's see how it goes. I like this 80s retest of this area, and hopefully it continues lower. Looking for 90s as a stop loss. Opening print level is here. I do like it, but I might as well get clapped from it. And here you really do not see how much is, I mean, okay, okay, I got stopped out. Oof, 200 loss on each account, and you don't really see it because that's so strange, because that does not show that, because now it shows it, perfect. I lost 600 in total, that sucks. Oh my god. Did I do a mistake on the ATR? ATR, why I have ATR 9? If this is, oh my god, 11, okay, I would have used 10 points anyway. If I had used the 15 points as I had before, then I would have survived this week. Yeah, but it did not happen. Good job, server Thanos. 293. That's a good first trade. Man, very good job. At least you didn't lose like me. That's lost 200 on each account now. Let's see. I'm gonna wait and evaluate the situation again. 2 negative trades, I'm out. So I don't need to look to take other trades when I am down on the day. Already 1,200. 40 point stop. You did great, because that's for me. I got clapped by the 10 points. I should have used the 15 points as I had planned, and now it would have been not yet a winning trade, but at least a break-even trade for sure. And I agree with that. I really agree with that. I should have kept my 15, and it's increasing, so I'm gonna do it right now. I think that TR really totally got me bad in this case, but it's because, as you said, it was the first minutes of the day. It was better to keep it as more points of more points of stop loss. It's okay. We can catch up again on this loss. Annoying, but it is what it is. It could have been even a winning trade, because I would have moved my stop loss in break even around this candle here, and that's it. It would have never touched it anymore. You short in 995. That's a beautiful short. on the 200s. I like it. I like that idea. And it went up to 205. It went up to here. Okay, you shorted on the first minute of the day. So you really went aggressive on it. Very annoying. 15 points. Now let's see what the market is gonna give us. But I'm annoyed. But let's be clear. Mind clear, and I'm gonna try put again the order at 80s. Let's see what the market wants to do, if it's gonna retest the level or not. Hello, guy man, what's up? You came after my first loss of the day, so you can see my beautiful PNL. Wait, you cannot see it. Why you could not see my PNL there? Yeah. Okay, my PNL is there. It's here below. What's up? What's up, Chris? Yeah, no. I did a mistake on this one. I had 15 point of stop loss, and then I moved it to 10 because of the ATR. But ATR was not was still okay to use 10 points, but definitely 15 points or 12 points I even would have saved me. And instead, I got clapped by it. Let's see if we get another trade with calm. We still have a lot of time. It's only the first 10 minutes. We're gonna get another trade. Just a matter of waiting and be patient that another trade will come. And we're gonna make money from it. And we're gonna be happy. It's really pushing down. Wow. Okay. It's really pushing down without me. I'm looking at these 60s. 70s are here. 60s can be good. It's a quick retest. I'm looking at it. The 50s right now are support. And yeah, it's annoying when you start the day with again a first red trade on the day. That makes it so much annoying, and that it feels like you didn't even start that you're already down. Started same yesterday. Again, yesterday was an error of execution. Today was an error of stop loss, but I would say it's acceptable today. The one of yesterday, no, but today, yes. Okay, 60s came but did not get retest, and it's still going down. Wow, okay. Nothing to do, guys. We are just waiting. These things is really going down without us. And we cannot rush it. We can wait. Let's don't rush it. Let's think clearly, and let's don't do mistakes on it. 5-minute chart. 5-minute chart looks very weak. The 50s are here. It can be a nice. The 50s are here. Can be a nice short. And the 50s works out well. Yeah, only one trade. Here. I want short. You can. Let me zoom it. I shorted here. I got stopped out here, and then it went to my direction. Unfortunately, maybe it was maybe it was too quick. If I waited for this week, this candle, at least the second short would have worked out perfectly. But it is what it is. What we can do about it. This market, guys, is going down. It's going down. No, for the moment, is the data latency is okay. You just spoke it. It went to 6. No, it's fine. It's fine. It's not super fast, but it's fine. These 50s are here. It can be a retest of this downside momentum, and the downside has more room, to be honest. I'm gonna give it to the 50s right now. Let's see. The 50s are there. The 60s are even better. Let's see how this candle moves. If I not, I will move my entry at 60s. Do we have a news at 10? That's something I'm forgetting to check. Thursday, no. Okay, there's no news at 10. Yeah. No, I'm thinking about the 60s as well. Because you see these wicks here as well. It's nice. Can be created a nice support and resistance. But for the moment, it's not giving any little bounce. The news was before at 8.5. It was the job claims. It was at 8.5. So the news came out. It moved the market here. It didn't even move it that much, but it was enough, I guess, to make some volatility today. Because finally we have some move, but right now we are not getting some retest. HB rhythmic? What does it mean, HB? How about rhythmic? I'm connected to rhythmic. Do you have the lag plugin installed, Jose? So you can check how lag is your data. Do you have the plugin to evaluate how lag is your data? For the moment, my data are fine. Let me see if I can provide you the link. How to measure lag. You can install that plugin on NinjaTrader, and it can show you how many milliseconds or seconds, like this one in Quantower just shows on the top left how much is delayed. Kia, what are you looking, HKM? Where are you stuck? I mean, it should be logging in for you. Jose, enter in AppReader Pro and manage your position there. Are you still in a position right now? If you are still in, then enter in AppReader Pro and flatten everything. It does not log in AppReader Pro. HKM, you can text me in Discord, and later we can go together about what you are missing in on your quant tower. I don't know for Ninja, man, my friend, because now I have a quant tower, but I don't know because I really don't know what's happening. Boo, boo, top stake clicks, boo, boo. Joking. Of course, joking. You're trading with the because of the discount they had these days, right? Server Thanos, maybe that is the case. They will create their own platform and own prop firm, and they will tell them use our prop firm that is much better and reliable. Guys, we're not getting any freaking trade. This thing is just going down. Good luck, guys. Good luck, guys. I hope it's going well. That's why my affiliate this week is 0 or 1 affiliate, because everyone is buying Top Step instead of Apex, I guess. Guys, I'm looking at this short and the 30s. The 30s are good. I'm gonna go for the 30 short. Where is it? Here. I like these 30s. Please give us these 30s. 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 Now push. Push. It's so freaking weak. It's coming to us. We're gonna get filled, guys. We're gonna go short on this market. Let's see. Are we gonna get short? Are we gonna get short? It's coming. It's coming, guys. Oh, then we are in 3, 2, 1. We are in, guys. If I lose this trade, I'm out for today. So good luck to me for sure on this one. Come on now, rejects. Now reject these 30s. Market reject. You don't need to push over the 30s. It's enough. What you've done right now is enough. After I get funded with Top Step and become consistent, I'm gonna go to Apex because they allow 20 accounts and Top Step below. Yes, that is the good things with Apex. You really can scale and just focus on one account and copy trade on all of the others, and you have the same results, but you just focus on one account. Like me right now, I'm focused on one, but I'm gonna get screwed on 3. Come on, reject right now. Now reject. You don't need to stay on the 30s like that. You can go to the 20s, 10s, even more, 100s. So what do you think, guys? Is gonna be a winning trade, a break-even trade, or a losing trade? What is your idea? I'm gonna say winning trade. I'm positive on my entry. Not anymore right now. Not anymore. I take it back. I think it's a losing trade. Yeah. If yeah, you know, it's the loser just because I'm long. Yeah, wait, guys, come on. Can you just take the same trades as I take, so we get to some direction together? Okay. Today we're gonna call it with a nice losing day. How much is gonna be? 450 on each account. It's gonna be 1.5k. Oh, annoying, but these days we are not getting much as I wish. And the 40s came out very nice in the end. Oh my god. Why I got shot on the 30s, I guess. But it is what it is. Now we just wait. And if this is a winning trade, I'm coming to your place. To you, Guy and Chris, I'm coming. I'm coming for you. If this is a winning trade, if it's a losing trade, I'm coming as well to get you. Okay, we're down 100 right now, 110 on each account. Your bias is enough, my friend. Your bias is enough. Is enough. No, just joking. But let's see. But this trade is still there. We need a red candle. Please give us a red candle at least. We have like at least one minute I was right on this downside. Okay, we have a red candle, so I can now I can lose it. I was just joking about losing it. What annoying things. Oh my god. It was a pleasure. The 50s were probably the best short then. Goodbye. Goodbye. Closing. We're here waiting for our loss to be finalized. Waiting. So Chris took his profit, means that now it's gonna go down, or it's gonna skyrocket like 500 points, like it happens all the time. And we're not speaking right now because we got failed. $500 loss. Oh my god. This is what it is, as they say. This is what it is. Unfortunately, annoying as fuck, I can say. I need to find, I want to show you the imbalance right now. If this things is gonna stop me out and then go down to take profit, I'm gonna be mad. 50s and then were probably the best short. Even not, I don't know. I don't know right now. I screwed it enough, and I don't know where is the freaking window of AirTrader Pro right now to show you the profit. The window is hidden somewhere in my monitors, but I cannot find it. Where the heck it is? I'm really lost, guys. So I'm gonna close it, but somehow it doesn't make sense. Wait, I'm gonna move this, hide the screen. I don't know, I cannot find it, and I don't know, guys. But lost, nice loss, a nice annoying loss. $500 loss, it's more than enough, I think. Definitely more than enough. But I would love to show you that, and I'm gonna close a trader, so you're not gonna see my PNL below, just because I need to open and close a Trader Pro. And log in. Okay, now finally it's coming back. Finally, okay. So now this is the same window you were looking before, so it doesn't matter. And here we can go to the performance account, trader dashboard, and you can see that these three accounts are in a loss. So I'm at 50,378. Unfortunately, they're not liquidated. I don't know why it does look them, they show them gray, but they're not liquidated. I'm just gonna provide you that information together. Did I move it correctly? Where is it? Here. So the account are at 50,886, and I have what? $2,000 of drawdown? Ah, no, sorry. This is cash on hand. That is yesterday. I'm 50,378. So the drawdown is 48.8 as well in this case, and 150 and 100 on the 50K account. So what that means is that I have $1,000 and 500 on the drawdown, $1,500 on drawdown here, and I have $2,000 on drawdown on the 150K account. So honestly, we are still good. We are still great. Definitely, I got clapped. Yes, yes. I got. I'm green with how much fee I paid and how much I took out from Apex. I'm positive. I'm green, at least on that side. I'm gonna show you now that I log in and it accepts my password by the face recognition. I'm gonna show you the PNL. My friend, no worries. Here. I got 3 payouts for the moment. $2,750, $2,000, $2,000. So for the moment, I got paid $6,750 on from Apex, and yeah, it's going well for the moment. Yeah, I've done. You're totally right. I've done the hello Campbell. I've done the mistake of pushing a bit too much today, and I got clapped. So today I lost beautiful 1,500 in total. That's $500 on each account. That's still a okay loss, but yeah, I'm done for today. I definitely accept my loss. I could have done better, definitely yes, but yeah. So for Chris, yes, I got free payouts for the moment. So for the moment, I'm great. No need to say sorry. I watched a video this morning of Douglas Costa, whatever. You know him better than me. But he said that loss are normal expense, and you have to accept them. That's it. To be honest, these loss they don't burn. Even if I keep trading this way and in the end I blow up the accounts, it does not burn because I follow the execution until the end. The fact that I blew up by following the execution is totally fine until I don't blow up by breaking the rules. If you follow your execution and your rules and you blow up, there's nothing you can do than being proud of what you did, because follow your strategy until the last dollars of your account is what you have to do to keep yourself in this game. And I've done that mistake so many times, and Mr. Misek here is a proof. Is my mentor. On October, we were trading a similar strategy, and I was close to. I got so many trades then that I told him, fuck it, I'm not gonna follow anymore the strategy, and I will move to something else. From the same day I left that strategy, it was green and green and green and green until payout. So if I had just done execution, I would have reached payout more times than what you've seen now, that are only 3 payouts. If I had just an execution P&L decision at the end of the day. At the end of the day, I have to follow and look. Did I follow my strategy? Yes. Am I red or green? I don't care, because if you follow your strategy, no matter what, you're not going to blow up your account on a day, like losing $2,000 of profit because you follow your strategy. But instead, if you don't follow your strategy, then it's not going to protect you for max loss, max time trading, max things like that, blah blah blah, exit entry and stuff like that. So everyone says psychology is true, but if you don't have a strategy, an execution on it, then nothing works. At 160, I see your entry here, my friend. I see your entry long, and you're getting almost your 10 points here. Oh, that's beautiful, man. And it is there, I think. It touched the 70s. I don't know if you got your profit at 70s or this one, it was not enough. Good luck, my friend. Yeah, with no edge, there is nothing. There is literally nothing. Yeah, Chris, what did I tell you before here? I told you, the moment you got out is the moment the market is going to continue higher. But this is just a joke. If you followed your strategy, you're good. We don't think don't think I wish. Remove these words when you start to trade. Remove these words. The only things you were able to see until that moment was here, and you got out here because you probably saw resistance, because you probably saw something else. What you've seen right now, it doesn't matter. It is after. The fact that you decided to take action here is because you had this information before. This information here does not matter anymore. You're my mentor's mentor. Yeah. 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 Look at Jose. Yeah, now Jose took his nice profit there. Beautiful trade from Jose. TP hit. Beautiful. You really went long here. I see it. Plus 3.5K. Easy day. Easy day for Jose. Ah, 3050. Okay, this the dash were at 50. Wow, look at that push, man. And look at the push, 70s, 80 opening print level right now. Oh my god. This would have been a nice short here. On the opening print level. Getting your 10 points right now. Got one runner. You still have one runner. Wow. Stop loss in break even, I guess, or even above. So you're good. If it breaks the opening print level, you're cruising, man. You're literally cruising. Well, how let's see how that runner you're gonna. We have a huge V shape on the 5-minute chart. Oh, several tunnels for 7 years. You're trading on and off. Yeah, I think the on and off is a big killer many times, because the on and off makes you go back to the market with the different approach every time. And that's, I think, is kind of little reset every time. It's so you always are catching up. But now you're not gonna reset anymore, my friend. Yeah, the strategy is I see you. Now you have to find only one. You don't need two, you don't need three, you don't need four. You need only one strategy that you can follow for the next weeks, months and months. Yes, don't do that anymore, my friend. Just keep it. Yeah, you do good. One every day. That's a beautiful. There is one our friend is a friend as well of Jose. Friend of Jose, that is Rigo, and Rigo does one trade per day. One trade per day. And that guy managed to bring his account to profitability by a lot as well. One trade per day. Loss or win or little win or break even, whatever is that, he takes one trade per day. Stay alive is the first step, huh? Stay alive is the first one to then start to become profitable. That is my where my I am myself as well right now. No, I'm break even, slightly making some money, but I would love right now to push it to the next level. The good side of this push is that I would have lost money no matter what. Even if I shorted these 50s, I would have lost money. I would have lost money as well on the 40s. On 40s, I would have moved my stop loss to break even. But on the 50s, I would have lost. Okay. Yeah, it is true. The market is the only way to improve is staying on the screen and learn and learn. But then you find a strategy, you find a way to make it work. And then you're gonna decrease every time more and more the time you spend on the screen. And you will start to enjoy only trading that, I don't know, 40 minutes, 1 hour of the day. And that's it. And you don't even care anymore about watching the market anymore. To be honest, I'm speaking about beginner break-even guy, break-even trader, but I really don't check anymore the market after I close this live. I don't check anymore the market. Until just when I start the live the next day, and I'm like, oh, okay, yeah, it pushed the London session. Oh, it pushed on yesterday. It closed high. Oh, it did this. I really don't care because my strategy works well when it works when I trade it the first moment when there is some volatility. Later on the day, I really don't care what the market does. Yes, Evertanos, I've done that mistakes as well. Changing popping strategy is the worst. I was profitable 2 years ago on. Oh wait, I think I can show this. Even it's. Let me just wait. If I'm gonna try to show you this, guys. I'm quite honest with you, so I will be honest as well in this case, and I will show you. So you can see. You can see here, guys. This is March 2022. So just to clarify, this is March 2022. That is 2 years ago. 2 years ago. That is insane. 2 years ago, look at how I was profitable trading CFD, so future on CFD market. And look at this, how many green days I had. And I was commenting and I was, putting them on my Excel file. Green, green, green. I had 2 red trades. And it was working. I had kind of, but the fact is that here my knowledge was, I had this kind of strategy, but not really. But I was reading okay the market, I guess. Second month is that I had green, 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 little reds, little reds. Green, massive green days. I was adding to winners, guys. I was adding to winners. Never average down, only sometimes, and adding to winners. My profitability was going crazy. I made 1,700. May 2000, and this is 1.5 years after I started trading, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, 1.5 years. So I really start to find profitability after 1.5 years. And then, no, not 3 years and something right now. And then look at this. On May 2022, in one day, I've lost all the profit. This was real money. This was my personal money. This was cash in one account, no prop firms, my money. And the fact that I was I lost 1,700 in one day. In one day, and that's what happens is that when you have a big day like this, it starts to you start to think about what is going wrong. Is it myself? Is it the strategy? And then you start to switch up, and then you lose yourself. And I lost myself in this case. July 22, I jumped to options. And options, I was trading with huge leverage with a small account. Guys, 3,458 on the first month. This again, cash money, my personal money, no prop firms. I made 3,438. Oh, sorry, guys. In June, I started and I made 620. Even if I had a big day, a big loss day, I made profit. Oh, 500 loss, but I made 3,400. August, I made $2,000 in one day. I have the video of that on YouTube. I made profit, and then after that, I start having losing day, and I lost myself again. And I thought it was I thought it was strategy. I thought it was another reason, and you start to switch to another path again, and again and again. You go back to the first step, and you go back losing again, making some money, then you go back again. That is the problem of changing strategy and changing type of market, is that you never learn. You stop learning. Instead of keeping the same market, the same pace, you then learn and improve. What was my mistake? That was my mistake. Let's move it on the next time, and don't do that again. So I shared with you guys my my journey. Sorry. Works all the time, and usually that are certain market conditions. Yeah, that's true, guy, that some strategies don't work over time, and that is where it comes with experience of understanding when you should stop using it. But it doesn't mean that it does not work anymore ever for my life. It just works for that moment. It's better to keep it lower and use maybe some different type of strategy. That makes sense. I'm a beast. Look, Amsa. Maybe you send me a screenshot in Instagram, and I don't know. No, Instagram. No, you didn't text me in Instagram. So I shared with you guys what happened, and that's what. Yeah, that's it, Chris. That's it. Same. I switched. You switch strategy every time, and there is no end to it. You're gonna, especially when you follow many YouTubers and stuff like that. Some guys use trend lines. Some people use support and resistance. Some people use fair value gaps. Some people use liquidity grabs. Some people use these things. Some people use the moon, the freaking moon, trading using the moon. Unbelievable moon phase trading strategy revealed. Full moon stock market, blah blah blah. Can you time market using nothing but moon cycles, blah blah blah. So some people really do that. And any strategy works. It's just a matter of you executing it the best as you can until the end. Oh, I think I spoke so much now that I'm done. I'm done with my voice soon. Let's see the 60s here. I'm not gonna trade it, but I like the idea of shorting the 60s. If I had one more shot on today, because this is the support. Look at this opening print level, guys. Opening print level is so beautiful. Shorted the 80s, get again in short. Wow, makes me cry, because these were good two trades. One good trade and second good trade. Oh my god, it hurts. This because then that's a good lesson of being patient. Yeah, after one losing day, you like start to think about that one, and then the next day when you don't use the strategy, that thing start to work again. today was a good lesson for me that I should have been just patient and wait for my levels to show up better. There is no reason to accelerate things. That 30s, even if it were a good short on the 5-minute chart, to be honest, it came out to be a really bottom tick. That candle was the low of the day for the moment. I spoke so much that I'm getting thirsty right now. But the live is gonna end in a few minutes. But I hope you enjoyed it. It was a nice chat, by the way. Even if it was a losing trade, losing day, annoying and losing day, it is what it is. I think I'm gonna do a short about it or a video later about it, but this is gonna be available for everyone in the live. And I'm gonna put it now. How much did I lose in the end? 1,523. Ooh. 1,523. 1,523. Beautiful losing day. I'm gonna save it there. It's annoying. Thanks, thank you to you guys as always. Yeah, man. Conversation are nice when is. Yeah, it's good to help each other on, especially beginner traders that have some years of experience. They need just a little push to move to the next level. They don't need much. They have their own strategy. They have their own things. You don't need to tell them to change strategy, to tell them that what works is these things. You just need to help them to be disciplined and have more conviction on what they do, because they know how to trade. Just they don't see the results. And when you don't see results, it burns. Bye guys, if you can leave a like, I appreciate a lot. At least we can push these likes to 7 or 8. I don't know how many people are right now live, but whatever guys, I really appreciate a lot, and have a nice and beautiful day. We meet again tomorrow, and you're welcome always. And hopefully tomorrow we'll see if we can catch some loss. Definitely today I could have done better. I'm not happy with myself of how I traded this first trade, this second trade. But it is what it is. It will happen again. I will lose again. The good side is I'm still alive. My accounts are still alive to trade again. So I'm perfectly happy. Where is the Moroccan tea? The Moroccan tea was here this morning. I finished it. So I already drank the Moroccan tea. I'm gonna probably drink one more right now because I have to go back to work. So I can continue the day and then go to the gym. So guys, so just don't push too much on your trading. Survive, and tomorrow we can trade again together. So no, I don't want to hear any one of you telling me that they blow up. That's the most important things. And if you do, just be honest and do it, because that is acceptance as well. Yeah, I do. yeah, you should not have just spoiled that, but I work for Apex, yes. So I have to go back to work, so I'm gonna be not available from now on because I have to log off from this live chat. But it was super nice, guys. Thank you a lot. See you tomorrow on the next live trade, and good luck. Love you all, guys.